Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to another video. Now, this is my little baby right here. This is what I started out with. I love this grill. Love this grill. Cast iron grill is just beautiful. It's been treating me good. But I have one problem with the grill. This is the charcoal holder. This is what it looks like. And guess what? I called the company and sent them a picture. After I called them, sent them a picture, and I was very upset. I was really and truly upset because they have a good product. This company really and truly do have a good product. But they had one problem. That part right there, it was bad. And after, I was talking to them on the phone, they asked me for my information. And they said, okay, we'll take care of it. Got home today, saw this in the mail. So open this and see if they send me the right size. I gave them the model number, which they asked for. So we're gonna see if this is the right size. This one is more sturdy. It's much heavier, which is good. These are part, put it in, and adjust. Wow, nice. Nice. Fits nice. So I'm back in business. I didn't use this grill because of that one product. I didn't want the rust and stuff, so I said, let me chill out, not use it until I get that part. And I got it. I didn't have to pay for it. They hooked me up. So you guys know the beast. This is my baby right here, but I'm not giving this one up. This one's been treating me good, and they say if it's not broken, don't fix it. So, you guys gonna be seeing me pretty soon lighting both of them up at the same time, because I have a big order for jerk chicken soon. So until next time, catch you guys later, and thank you for watching.